guys, welcome to another edition of basic iPhone tips. In this edition, I'm going to take you through how to make your iPhone give out louder content. The speaker of your iPhone give louder content. Before we proceed, I would like you to subscribe, like, share, and leave your comment for this channel. So without wasting more time, let's go to settings, then to accessibility, then audio/visuals, and as you can see, it is written here, make the left and right speakers play the same content. All you have to do is switch this mono audio on, then you're good to go, and it will be very prominent to play background sound to know the changes in your speaker as compared to the previous content. Thanks. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this channel.